Alright, here we are, Porsche Cayenne Diesel, Paul again from EMD Automotive. Just finished cleaning the actual throttle. Have a look at that. I'm going to go over it again a bit more. I just want to show you the difference here as well. I'm going to go over a bit more inside there, a bit more in there, but I just want to show you, have a look at that, and have a look at that, compared to before. So I'm going to do one more cleaning with the actual cleaner, and then we'll go from there, alright? But this is much better than before. Once I use the cleaner, that will be nice and clean, just like this side here. Alright? You cannot get everything out, but you can actually probably get 90% out. Let's have a look at the I'm just going to show you how much soot came out from this. Look at that. That's all from the intake. I'm taking it out. See? This side here as well. That's all from the intake manifold. So if you have a diesel, every major service, what I usually do, I recommend for every major service on your diesel, remove the intake manifold out. It's an extra additional work, and clean it. Otherwise you're going to get all this clogged up in the future. It just gets worse and worse and worse. Alright? Okay. Now I'm going to install do the final cleaning on both sides. Then install the intake manifold, oil cooler, oil housing, oil filter housing, water pump, and then pressure test the system. Make sure it doesn't leak, and then I'll assemble the rest. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.